We are now going to see how to export data from TrendMiner. In this scenario, we have found an anomaly in the pressure system of our batch process. To document this issue, we would like to export the data of the focus chart. We need to have the data points in an Excel file, and we would like to have the graphs as a picture to use it in a report. For this, we can simply go to Actions and Export. This opens a side panel where we can choose the type of export we want to generate. To generate the Excel file, we can select Chart Data, choose the time zone, the chart data resolution, and whether we want to exclude the filtered periods. Then we can click on Generate Export, and when the export is ready, we receive a notification in the notification center in the top right corner. This message indicates us that the chart data export is ready. We can then simply click on the message to start the download. The Excel file that we obtain contains then the 3 tags of our focus chart, the timestamp, and a column indicating whether these periods are filtered or not. The second type of export we wanted to generate is a picture. For this, we can simply go back to Actions, Export, and select the option Chart Visual. This time, we obtain directly the PNG file containing the chart, the name of the tags, and the layers. You will notice that the data scooter which we created is also included in the picture. Finally, there are other types of export which we can generate. We can export the statistics data and the compare layers data.